guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. As you can see guys, this is I want to review today. By the way guys, I'm speaking English today because all of my some of my subscriber is from another country like USA, Malaysia, Jordan, India, and Indonesia. Shout out to all of us, to all of you. I mean, if I speak my language, they will not understand. But if I speak English, my countrymen they can understand. Sorry for my English guys. I know it's understandable. It's not 100% good my English, but not too much bad. Okay guys, I will start now. So before I make video or review about Philips, and today guys, this one, but this one is another brand, but the same what we call this function, steam garments. So this one guys, I will show you about this product. This one is I don't know what how much the power for this. I think 1800, the same as the Philips, but as you can see, this one is only the design and the color. That is guys. To all madam out there, if you like this one, you can go here in Saku Kamis, or you can buy it online. I will check first how much the power of this. Look guys, this one is 1800 watts, so the same the other brand Philips. Then this one is approximately 2 liters only water tank. So you need to check the water, maybe it will be finished or there is no water. So this is the standard guys. The stick is 40 centimeter steam length, standard steam length. So steam length approximately 70 centimeter long. That's all guys. And this one, the powerful steam, and the handy, it is good also, and with hanger also. So it's better guys to make it actual video for this. We will what we call this, we will make it actual spray for this, or sorry, maybe I will get the actual video, this one, actual footage, and we will try this one guys, madam. We will try this one so that you can see how this item will work. Okay. I will show you the actual footage. This is it, madam. All mothers out there, as you can see, this is the actual footage. This is the free hanger to put here the dress or whatever you clean it, and the nozzle. So this is it. So you can adjust this one you can pull up. Sorry. So you can pull this one up, and you can lock this one here. This one, you lock this one like that. So it will be locked. So you can put this one, the nozzle, here upstairs like that. Then also the hanger you can put. So we can start now, madam. To all mothers dyan, I will show you how to try this one. Okay, so I will start. So you need to, first things, you need to put water. So this one, the water tank, you will be remove this one, and as you can see, there is a lock here, and open it. Then you can put water inside here like that. This is only try, madam. As you can see, I only put here only, not too much, because this is only for demonstration. So finish, put water, then you lock. Not too much lock, because this one is only plastic. Maybe it will be damaged for the thread. So the things you do, next you do, you put this one here, and you can plug. And first finish plug, then you can start this one. Okay, I will show you, madam. So, madam, I already put the plug. So we will start. So this one, you push this button like that. So there is a light to it. Then the nozzle, there's a switch here. As you can see, this one, there's a switch. If you turn this one here, silk thin, and if you turn here, is for cotton tech. So we will wait for this to blow his steam. So as you can see, this one. So madam, as you can see, the steam is already heating. So we will put my dress here, so that you can see what is the difference. As you can see, madam, my dress again. So you need to remove the steam, this one, and you can put here like that, the same as in Philips. This one like that also, but this one, madam, they have a switch. I already talked to this, the steam. There's a switch for the self steam, and this one, the cotton tech. So as you can see, there's a lot of gusot. I don't know what is the English of this one. Wrinkles. Yeah. So as you can see, too much wrinkles. So that's it, madam. You can only push this one. That's it. then like that. That's it. You will continue it. If there is wrinkles, you can do it again like that. This is the new for Panasonic. You can check first the water also, maybe it was finished or not finished. Then you can back this one at the back, this one like that. There are too much wrinkles. You can do it again and again and again until the wrinkles is gone. Okay, you can also make it slowly like that, so that the wrinkles will be gone. Okay, madam. To all in USA, my viewers in Indonesia, Malaysia, Jordan, India, hi to all. Maybe you can understand this one because I make it English now. So it's better. It's better and better. Shoot, madam. As you can see, yes, I will try this one in my dress. So if you want to buy this one, you can go here in Sako, Kamis. Okay, thank you. That's all. I almost forgot the price for this. Is the original price is this one, from 500 to 399. So as you can see, the price is good. So if you want to buy, come here now and you can take the promo. Okay, thank you.